name is Najah Shakir and we're talking and presenting about polycystic kidney disease, or in other words, PKD. So polycystic kidney disease is actually having cysts on your kidneys that could actually spread out to both kidneys, not only one. And it's of course gonna later on affect the kidney's function. So PKD is actually, it is an inherited disease. It could actually be in two forms: autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, which actually occurs in adulthood more than in childhood, and the other form is autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease that occurs much in childhood rather than adulthood. So symptoms regarding this disease is actually doesn't appear until mid-age, and once it appears, they actually cause hypertension or high blood pressure, and in addition to that, excessive urination, especially at night, and pain, which is also a known symptoms for that, and an abdominal swelling or enlargement of the kidney. As you can see, many cysts on the kidney. This is the healthy one, this is the polycystic one, enlargement, and many cysts on it. Now, what causes PKD? So actually, it's mutation on both proteins, polycystin 1 and polycystin 2. So the PKD gene code for proteins polycystin 1 and polycystin 2, which are found in the primary cilium, that's found on most cells of the body. Approximately 85% of autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease there's mutation in the PKD1 gene, while the remaining 15% is autosomal recessive for the PKD1 gene encodes for polycystin 1, which is a large multicellular function membrane receptor protein. It's able to regulate ion channel complexes, and it's actually fed before birth. Whereas the polycystin 2, which encoded by the PKD2 gene, is an integral membrane protein that function as a calcium permeable cation channel. So it actually allows the release of Ca2 plus channels once activated, and then it is located mainly in the endoplasmic reticulum. So in the primary cilium of epithelial cells, so the polycystin 1 interacts with polycystin 2 in order to form a complex, or a polycystin complex. So this complex actually acts as a mechanosensor, regulating signaling pathways involved in the differentiation of kidney tubular complex, kidney tubular epithelial cells. So disruption of this complex impairs intracellular calcium influx and leads to the development and expansion of kidney cysts, and this regulation of calcium signaling due to the loss of polycystin function causes the aberration activation of different pathways associated with abnormal cell proliferation and fluid secretion, thereby leading to the development and expansion of kidney cells. So actually, when there is mutation in the PKD gene, the polycystin and polycystin does not function, and therefore they reduce the amount of Ca2 plus release, and therefore there is kidney expansion and forms of many cysts on the kidney. Now, the goal of the treatment is actually to control the symptoms and prevent complications. So hypertension can actually be managed with diet and medication prescriptions, and other infection can be treated with antibiotics. However, cysts that actually could enlarge the kidney and could actually spread out to pancreas, bile duct, or any organs or any other organ, they can actually be painful and infected and will lead to renal failure. So this condition may require transplant kidney or artificial kidney. Transplant kidney is actually limited treatment, as it's actually available when the donor organ is available, whereas the artificial kidney, or known as hemodialysis, is a treatment to filter waste and water from your blood, as your kidneys did when they were healthy. So hemodialysis with long sessions help to improve hypertension and control and balance important minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium. Yes, so in your blood, hemodialysis can help you feel better and live much longer, but it's not a real cure for kidney failure, and at the same time it has an advantage that it is an expensive treatment. Let's talk about how it works. So basically, during hemolysis, your blood goes through a filter called a dialyzer outside your body. A dialyzer is sometimes called artificial kidney, which is what I'm talking about. At the start of a hemodialysis treatment, a dialysis nurse places 2 needles into your arm, and you may prefer to put in your own needles after you're being treated with a healthcare team. A numbing cream or spray can be used if placing the needles bothers you. Each needle is attached to a soft or hollow tube connected to the dialysis machine. The dialysis machine pumps the blood through the filter and returns the blood to your body during the process. The dialyzer machine checks your blood pressure and controls how quickly, firstly, the blood flows through the filter, and secondly, how fluid is removed from your body. The fluid formed on your kidney. So blood enters at one end of the filter and is forced into many very thin hollow fibers. As your blood passes through the hollow fibers, dialyzer solution passes in the opposite direction. On the outside of the fibers, waste products from your blood moved into the dialysis solution, filter the blood, then therefore remains in the hollow fibers and returns to your body. So this is how your kidney will be can be function and you can so live longer. Okay, thank you for watching.